Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I do like Zoom calls and things like that on my computer. And this thing has like a little microphone in it, and it's bad. And then my computer has a microphone in it too, which is slightly better. But I needed something even better, so this one here is a multimedia microphone here. This one here is more professional, when people will be actually able to hear me and know what I'm saying, and it's kind of cool. And so this is it here. This is what it looks like there. So it's kind of like a little speakerphone kind of device. And then we have the plug for it here, which will plug into, it's like a USB to USB-C. So there's USB-C right into here, into this right there, onto the device, and then USB will go into the computer. So if I was to plug it in for me, I actually want to leave the little wire kind of twisted up right now, but I'll go into here, oops, and there, and look at that, now it lights up, and I should be able to do my stuff here. I have a mute button on there, so I can mute it and play it. I have the different lights I guess I can have to show what's going on, and tone and volume settings. So let me just try to play something and see what happens here, if it works. Oh, it needs my password. Okay, let me see. Let me just go and minimize, go to like YouTube or something. I just wanted to search for YouTube. I don't know if it has a speaker in it too, or if it just has something else. Yeah. No, it's just the microphone there. But that'll do. So let me just go ahead and record something. Let me just change it to here. Go to we'll go to voice recorder. I don't know if voice memos. Okay, so let's try now and record something. So now we are recording a voice memo. I don't know if it's coming through this device or not, though. We are recording a voice memo. Sounds pretty good. I think it went through there, so that was good. Recording a voice memo. Well, I can check for sure by going into System Settings if you have a Mac, and then you go to Sound, Input, and here we go. Now it's set for this thing. There, now it's set for that. Let's try this again. Okay, now it is. Yeah, now it's recording on this thing here. So let's see how this sounds now. If I go done, and I'll just go here.
Now it's recording on this thing here.
I guess I had a voice changer in there. But it's pretty cool. A nice little microphone device, and I'm going to say it's neat. So thumbs up for sure.